Big cats. The leopard climbs a tree. This big cat has little round spots on its fur. The leopard's strong legs help it climb. Wiggle your legs. Find the leopard's legs. The tiger rests in soft green grass. This big cat has orange and black striped fur. The tiger cleans its fur with its tongue. Find the tiger's tongue. Stick out your tongue. The snow leopard runs through the snow. This big cat has long white whiskers. Thick, soft fur keeps the leopard warm. Rub the snow leopard's fur. Rub your hair. The jaguar swims in a cool river. This big cat has a nose shaped like a triangle. Jaguars listen for sounds with their ears. Count the jaguar's ears. 1, 2. Count your ears. A baby lion plays with the daddy lion. This big cat roars. It also meows. Baby lions fall asleep cuddling with the mommy lion. Shh! Whisper night night to the baby lions. Can you find each big cat? Leopard, tiger, snow leopard, jaguar, lion. The end.